Hello Libra, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a reading for you which is for the month of October 2020. This reading is a pure relationship reading. We will not be touching upon any other area of your life, so this is for your relationships. That's one. Second, if you want to reach out to me for your personalized reading, you can call me on 918-449-01791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com, and you can visit my website, which is www.blossomlifetarot.com. So let's get ahead and see what are the vibrations you're getting in the month of October 2020 from your partner, and what is it that you can expect in this month happening with you. What is it that you should eliminate from your life, and what is it that you should adopt in your life as a good habit. Okay, so let's get ahead. Okay, the first two cards are very positive. I'm just giving you some, clues right here so that you don't worry about yourself. Okay. You were planning something for a long time in relationship. You were dating someone, or you are about to date someone, or whatever situation you are in. If you're in a relationship or you're about to propose someone, you know, in these scenarios, uh, your planning will go as per your desire. It is going well. So whatever you are working towards, it is going to reach to the desired results very, very soon. So if you want to propose someone, go ahead, propose the person. You will get a yes. Yes, the person will say yes to you. Second, that relationship will not be a dating kind of relationship. Maybe the other person's expectations would be to get married once you propose the person. So it is a serious relationship the partner will expect from you. This partner will not actually be someone who will, maybe you can call the person like old school. The person will not really be, interested in having a long term dating kind of a relationship. This person wants to get married, and this person will also encourage you to buy your own house before you actually get into a serious affair. My god, this person is very serious. Looks like he was always, he was ready to say a yes to you. He was just waiting for you to ask. Okay, so it's a beautiful relationship starting at a good place. People who are already in a relationship, people who are already engaged, married, those people, there's a combined effort happening. You will become a part of a religious ceremony which will make your bond stronger. It's a strong connection which is developing between you two. And you will do some changes in your house, and that will make your relationship all the more stronger. So you both are doing something for your house, you're doing something for the family. You will become a part of some ceremony which wherein you that might remind you of the vows you had taken when you got married. So that will make your relationship all the more stronger. You will recall those moments when you both had met. So there's a regeneration, there's a spark coming back to your relationship in the month of October, Libra. Also, I will say that few of you, if you were having some kind of issues, maybe there was something which was making your life a little bored, you're going to leave that back. It's not like that thing was bad, there was negativity here. No, there was no negativity. It's just that we all need changes, and that's the change you are working towards. You were working towards, and this is why you want to make some changes in your life. So I told you might change some, something in terms of interiors of your house, which will give a freshness to your relationship. You will feel fresh. So the freshness coming in your relationship, it's very important. A few of you, I feel that you were staying away from home for some time, Libra, and this is why you gave an opportunity to a third person to intervene into your life. So the third person's interference, which is making your life a little dull, a little disappointment is coming your way if you are into a third party relationship, or you are giving a third person too much authority and too much power to rule your relationship. A husband wife relationship, two partners relationship should be very very close with each other. They should listen to each other rather than listening to a third person to resolve their issues. Okay, that's an important point I want to make here, and that's what you need to take care of also, Libra. This third, I want to show you the card so that you relate better. First see this card, then I'll show you the second one. A third person has appeared here in middle of you both. Okay, this person is standing right there on your heart, and he's impacting your emotions. Okay, this person's presence is very cold. Maybe he's a person who likes practicality. Maybe if you're take it in a way that your wife is sick, and but then as per this person, he has worked when he was sick like this. He has done everything when he was sick. So just because he was able to do this, it doesn't mean that your partner will also be able to do that. There's a difference of immunity. There's a difference of physical powers. Don't go by the words of this person at all. I will suggest you that. Apply your brains. If the other person says he's not okay, it means he's not okay. They'll believe in your partner. So believing your partner will eliminate this person altogether automatically. But if you don't do that, so this is the cover, this is the protection I'm providing you. How will you protect your relationship in this month? This will make you this kind of a person who's looking at things which do not even exist. This is just a reflection of something, but something does not exist here. Look at this card. Can you see these many cups anywhere in the background so that you can see the reflection of it here? No. Same way, the problems do not exist, but these are built by this person in your mind, and that is impacting your relationship big time. I'm giving you a cover. I'm giving you support here. Do not listen to this person at all if you want your relation to be saved. Okay? There are so many positives in your life. Look at that. That's very important. Okay? Moving ahead, which is your someone in your life, I see, and this partner of for few people, he's very aggressive. This person is impacting your life. He's becoming very aggressive. He's very short tempered kind of a person who's impacting your life big time. Okay, and he's taking this risk is not worth it. So leave this kind of person if you have in life. I will say just stay away from this person because he's all set to impact you or hurt you. That's what I feel here. That's very important. Second thing which is important here is that some of you are reuniting with your old friends, or maybe someone who you knew from your past. You are actually meeting this person. You are becoming a part of this person's life again, and that is making your life beautiful again. There's a passion coming back in your life. There's an aggression coming back in your life. So if you are not doing well in your relationship, by end of the month you will feel that passion again. I want you to apply from your brains when you are in a relationship and manage your relationship. Okay, do not look at other people and then compare your relationship with other people. We all have different situations and different lives. Honor yourself. If you have not concentrated on your looks, your personality for a long time, Libra, I feel that you have not, because you were so engrossed in this relationship, especially this person. Stay away from such kind of energies. These people are not well-wishers of anyone. They look at their betterment, they look at their wellness, and then only they do things accordingly. This is very disheartening that few people are so selfish in a relationship. Be away from such people. Also, you have flirted a lot in your past. Now you're attracted to someone new in your life. That's what I feel. And I think to have that person in your life as your partner, you can take help from your friends, because friends are going to help you in this scenario. They will help you. They will become like mediators in this relationship. So don't worry. things are going fine. By end of the month you will feel better. The only cover protection what you need to give to your relationship this time is by not listening to third parties and applying your brains, and then you doing things accordingly. Okay, take care, god bless you, be happy, be nice to people, and be positive. Bye bye.